by Smiledirectclub. See the liners came in the mail. So now I'm getting myself together so that I can properly record this video. I actually have to brush my teeth before I put them in. So I'm like, let me just get myself together. So this is my face wash routine when I have lashes on. And only when I have lashes on, because any other day, I drench my face in water and get down with the get down. But because I slept with these lashes on last night, but to do it this way. So here we are. I use liquid black soap on my face. It doesn't have a label or anything, but the place that I buy it at is in the Cherry Hill Mall. If anybody's interested, I get it from this guy named Scott, and he has a little kiosk right outside of the bar. And that's my dude. His black soap is better than any black soap that I've ever used. And yeah, it's kind of like, what's the word I'm looking for? It's kind of silly that I go and buy black soap from a real person, because black soap comes from Africa. But, you know, that's what happens when you're lazy. So, go. So, yes, he like soaks his black soap in rose water and argan oil or argan, I forget, but it clears my face up really well. So that's what I do, and that's my routine. This is the $8 bottle. I use it on my skin when I'm in the shower too. It really clears up my skin, as you can see. I went to the hair show the other day, and I bought some there. It wasn't the same. And I went to Scott yesterday, and I'm like, okay, it's a minimum, but it's supposed to be. Oh wait. Huh? Yeah, that's how it was in my closet, so. Pile over here. I don't want them, but they don't belong to me.
You don't know what they don't belong to you. You know what belongs to.
AKA they're yours. Got up on my way back. They're clean, brushed them, put on some Blistex, and my lips are already dry, and now we're going to unbox. You guys don't know how long I waited for this box to get here, okay? The shipping takes 4 to 6 weeks once you go for your, I actually went to the office and got my teeth, you know, 3D and whatever you want to call it. Usually they make you do the impression at home if that's the route you decide to take, but I actually went into the office, had them do the impression for me, and yeah, so I chose the method where you can do a payment plan, and a lot of people have been asking me like, how much did it cost, blah 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 blah. I think the total amount was like $2,001 something, I think, if I'm not mistaken. The down payment is $250, and then it's $80 a month. Now you have your liners for 6 months, so if I'm doing the math correctly, it takes about that long to pay it off. Maybe longer, I don't know. I passed my health class. So we're gonna unbox, and I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all have no idea how excited I am and how long I waited. If you haven't noticed yet, yes, I'm low-key ambidextrous. Sometimes I like to use the other hand. It just feels more comfortable. So, this is the box. Here it comes in. It's a purple box. And you open it here. And it says there's a lot to smile about in here. So when you go for your actual, like if you go, I don't know, everybody's a little different. If you go for the thing, they will tell you what comes in the box, how to use everything in the box, and you originally get like your 3D UV light and one of these. This is the gel that you put on your teeth to brighten them. And then in the box you get 4 additional ones. They give you a lip balm because your lips are dry. This is the case, the container. You put it in. I don't remember what this is. I'm gonna have to open that to find out what that is. Then these are your chewies. Once you put your liners in, you chew on these things to make them sit in place. And then right here at the bottom, this is the remover. You can use this to help remove your aligners. Hold on, let me fix this real quick. I guess that's what I have to do. What is this? Oh, that's so cute. They're little motivational things. I guess you can open once a week or once every time you change your life. Count your life by smiles, not tears. So underneath, you have your stretcher. The Smile Stretcher will help you take progress photos every 90 days as a part of your club warranty. If you ordered an impression kit, check your guide to see what you do for your initial photos. So they make you take a picture every time you change your liners as progress. Up here, this is the book that you need to go through and read. It tells you how you can become a superstar, aka an ambassador. It tells you how to put them in. It tells you what to do when you're wearing them, what not to do. It just kind of helps you keep your smile going. I actually have to, this is the UV light that brightens your teeth. I don't know where I put it. Yes, I'm so excited. So let's get to the nitty-gritty. The aligners are actually inside this box. Patience Feller Grinner. Only pull one set of aligners out at once. So they install your aligners one by one has your name on it, the doctor who made them or who did your case, the month, and the week. So we are on month 1, week 1. So I'm going to tear these off, right? But before I do that, I already kind of took a picture with my mouth without, how do you open this? With what my teeth look like right now. Make sure I get it right. It's like, so these are my teeth. I kind of had some shifting here, some shifting here. These are starting to shift, and I wanted to fix them. This is like the thing that they use for that game. So the moment of truth. I'm gonna read the directions before I. My mom is really funny. So I just rinsed them off. They look really little. These don't even look like the shape of my teeth. I hope they don't hurt. Oh. Oh. You know what? My teeth are a little, I guess. So my friend got these before I did, and he told me that he puts them on at night because they're a little tight and you can go to bed and sleep through the pain. Or that's when he changes them. So I'm going to open the Chewy box. And you basically wow. So this is what my teeth look like with my first set of aligners. You can't even really tell that they're there. So that's that. I have work today, so I guess I will see what it's like to live a normal life with these. I doubt people would be able to tell that you have anything on your mouth unless you take them off when you're with somebody or somebody's really close to your mouth. And I can see because the lisp is getting worse. So I'm going to also rinse out my container that I'm going to take to work so that when I eat, I can so that when I eat, I can put them in there. Like, let me try their bomb because I'm very specific about my lips. It smells really good. So yeah, this is it. I'm actually gonna put one of my Chewies inside of my case and keep that there. And I'm gonna pack everything up and keep this box very near and dear to my heart. Right now, my house is a little bit all over the place because I'm in the process of relocating. So that's a different vlog for another day, but stay tuned for that. And while in the process of relocating, I had everything all over the house. So I am going to make sure that this box stays somewhere safe and doesn't get lost in the nitty-gritty of moving. I want to try this remover thing. Let's see what it's like. I'm gonna read the book before I do this because I ain't ready to break these. Yeah, they're on there really good. They don't just pop in and out like dentures. We'll spit all together. They don't pop in and out like dentures. They are very secure. Very, very secure. I'm gonna assume this little side is for a hair, and the bigger hook side is for the top bone down. So I'm so excited because I'm traveling in a couple of days. I want to say in a week, and I wanted to have my liners because I want my teeth straight. Okay, I can see why you shouldn't eat, but my teeth are pretty white, and I always smile in pictures of my teeth because I'm really comfortable with them. Like, it's not a problem for me. Some people are not very comfortable with their teeth. I would definitely suggest getting your teeth fixed. It is expensive, it is an investment, but with this company, they created something that made it easier for people who are on a budget, like most people, you and I know. And oh, this is going with me. I'll put it in here for now. But they made it easy for us, people, humans. They made it easier for us. I'm gonna take this sticker and put it back on the next set of aligners, just so that nothing happens, they don't get pulled out or whatever. But this is definitely something to get used to. I'm gonna read a lot of whatever it says, because they pretty much go over everything. Like, if you go to the actual meeting, they go over everything for you, and you don't really have to, like, it's nothing that you can't understand. Like, it's really a fairly easy process. The hardest part about it is waiting. When you have to wait for them to arrive, you're like, oh, how much longer on my teeth fixed? Where are they at? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Those of you who are interested and have more questions about Smiledirectclub and what they have to offer, just inbox me or call my phone if you have my number, text me, whatever, and I'd be happy, more than willing, to give you an update or a more detailed description on what it's like, what the process is like, who to contact, blah, 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 blah. So, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching.